Oneness. Oneness is a noun that refers to the state or quality of being united, whole, or undivided. It signifies a sense of unity, harmony, or interconnectedness. It can be used in various contexts, including spirituality, philosophy, relationships, and even in describing a collective consciousness. Here are a few examples to illustrate the meaning of oneness. 1. Spiritual oneness. In many religious or spiritual beliefs, oneness refers to the idea that all beings are interconnected and part of a larger divine or universal energy. For example, in Buddhism, the concept of oneness is expressed through the belief in the interconnectedness of all living beings and the ultimate goal of achieving enlightenment. 2. Relationship oneness. In a romantic relationship, oneness can describe the deep emotional and spiritual connection between two individuals. It implies a sense of unity, understanding, and shared experiences. For instance, a couple might say, "We feel a deep sense of oneness when we are together." 3. Global oneness. In the context of global issues, oneness can refer to the idea that all human beings are part of a shared humanity and should work together for the greater good. For example, a humanitarian organization might promote the idea of global oneness by advocating for equality, justice, and peace among all nations. 4. Artistic oneness. In the world of art, oneness can describe the harmonious integration of different elements to create a cohesive and unified piece. For instance, a painter might strive to achieve oneness in their artwork by blending colors, shapes, and textures in a way that creates a sense of balance and unity. 5. Oneness of nature. Oneness can also be used to describe the interconnectedness of nature and the environment. It signifies the idea that all living beings, plants, animals, and ecosystems are part of a larger interconnected web of life. For example, a nature lover might say, "When I walk in the forest, I feel a sense of oneness with nature." Overall, oneness represents the idea of unity, wholeness, and interconnectedness in various aspects of life. It emphasizes the importance of recognizing our shared humanity, fostering harmonious relationships, and understanding our connection to the world around us.